Hello, welcome to USA Test Prep. In today's video, we're going to give you an overview of our game arcade from the student point of view. I'm logged in as a sample student, Lance Armstrong, and the way that Lance would access the game arcade, there is a link on his home screen for the game arcade. And he would just click on that link, and this takes him to the game arcade screen. Up at the top, it has a list of the number of tokens he has. Students earn tokens by completing activities within USA Test Prep, and they can use those tokens to buy access to certain games. We do have a number of games in the platform that are always free. These free games are always age appropriate. And in the free games, the students are answering real-world test prep questions to progress through the game. So let's look at a free game first. One of the games that's free is Sasquatch Olympics. When the student clicks on that, they have to choose the test area. So if they're a high school student, you also choose the subject area and grade that you're working on. So Lance is a biology student. And here is the game. When Lance is playing the game, he gets to choose the domain that he's going to be working on. So let's say structure and function of cells. He can also choose the element. Let's say he's working on a unit on cellular reproduction. Here, he also chooses the teacher. So if you want the scores to be reported back to you, Lance would just choose you as his teacher and the class that he's in and click begin. And here are real-world test prep questions that the students would have to answer. And one of the things that's done is the students can they can translate the question into Spanish if they want to. They have a speaker where if the question needs to be read aloud to them, they can do that on their own also. Once they make their answer choices, they click submit. And the platform will tell you whether or not you've got the question right or wrong. So he got this particular question wrong, so he did not earn any points for this particular question. He just clicks continue to go on to the next question. He also has access to a regular calculator and a scientific calculator. If he needs a hint to help him answer the question, he can hover over the hint and get that hint too. And click submit. And there he got this particular question right, and an answer exclamation appears, and he gets, his score is now 1,000. So that's how the students would progress through a typical game within the platform. Let's go back to games, and let's talk about the games that require tokens. These are brain break games. The students have to earn tokens to be able to play. So, and they do not answer real world test prep questions, but they are fun, they are engaging, and they offer a little bit of a break from the monotony. So if they were to click on, let's say hypothetically, veggie attack. As you can see, it's engaging. You just click start and click anywhere to begin. And it's a typical game. Oh. All right, you get the gist. And as you can see, I was not very good at veggie attack, but that's okay. But that is an overview of some of the games within our platform and how they operate. If you have any questions about anything, you're always welcome to contact us. Our phone number is always at the bottom of the screen. It's 1-877-377-9537. Thank you so much, and happy gaming.